Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video I will show you how to create your own Zoom new meeting. So first you need to have Zoom account. So you need to be signed in, and I prefer to have the Zoom app. From where you can have the Zoom app, just you can get it from Microsoft Store or from the website zoom.us/download. So once you sign in, this window has appeared. So you can create and schedule a meeting from here. If you want to create an instant meeting, you can just use the new meeting. Okay, and start one. If you want to schedule a meeting in days and you want to add the attendees and invite people, just go into this symbol, schedule. So first you need to enter the event name and to set the date and hour. Okay. Secondly, you need to add the invitees. Then you can manage your meeting ID. If you want it to be generated automatically, or you want to use your personal meeting ID. In this case, you can change the passcode because Zoom already gave you a one. Let's set one, for example, SS. SS. Alright. Here you can choose the waiting room, and I prefer you to choose it. This option makes only users admitted by the host can join the meeting. In this case, you can set the video and the camera option just for hosts or for participants, and you can also set it on for both of them. Here you can choose the audio. If you have if you don't want to use computer audio and you have another options, you can choose them. Here you can choose the calendar that you want to set up your meeting on: Google Calendar or Outlook Calendar or the other calendars. In this advanced settings, I prefer to uh, take this one, allow participants to join anytime, and then click on save. Once you click on save, you got all the informations of your meeting. You get the link, the invite link, and the ID also, and your passcode. Then click copy to clipboard. And that's how you can create a meeting or to schedule a meeting in Zoom Workplace. Thank you so much guys for watching, and I hope that video was helpful. If you found that video helpful, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Thank you so much.